Welcome YouTubers, we are back for a new video for the day. So we did today, we already did Spoil Engine's newest video and song, and that shit was dope. That's a Spoil Engine, yeah, Spoil Engine's newest album has dropped as well, so we're gonna react to that. That'll probably be up tomorrow, more than likely. But we got their new song video reaction up today. You go check that out. And now we're about to do Once Human. Oh my god, dude, these guys are sick. They're badass. They've been going for a while, but the lead singer, she posted something on her Facebook and said, check out our new song and video. I said, fuck yeah, I've been waiting for their new shit. So I'm excited to get into it, guys. This is Once Human. This new song's called Sledgehammer. Let's do this, boys. Chorus right here. What's this? Was Once Human's newest song, Sledgehammer, dropped 8 hours ago today. That shit was dope, bro. I fucking love that. I'm adding that shit on my playlist. Fucking congratulations. You guys are fucking awesome. They got an awesome ass lead singer. She can fucking scream. She can bring out them clean vocals. They really remind me of Spoil Engine. Their kind of sound, so it's pretty dope. Love that shit. I'm guessing they got a new album in the works as well, because that's their first newest song they've released this year. So fucking stoked for that shit, bro. That was good, man. I enjoyed that a lot, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And also, like I said, hit that button if you're not subscribed already. Hit that subscribe button, guys. I'm always posting metal and rock reactions. Sometimes I'm my fiance, mostly it's me and my brother, and sometimes it's me and my sister. We love metal, we love rock music. That's what we do here on this channel. So, guys, this is Rock Out Reactions. If you got anything you want me to check out, I will react to it. Just put it in the comments below, guys. But that is all I got for you guys right now, because I'm Paul. And rock out.